Hello, my name is CJ Wessingson. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve triangle method. Before we solve, I want to know first what's triangle method. The triangle method often refers to a graphical method used to solve problems involving vectors. It involves drawing vectors as arrows on a coordinating system, forming a triangle. The triangle sides represent the magnitudes and directions of the vectors, allowing you to determine the resultant vector. This method is commonly used in situations where vector addition or subtraction is involved. Tandaan, pag sinabi natin resultant vector, ito yung sum ng mga vectors. Pag scaling naman, ginagamit ito para ma-enlarge or diminish a vector. Ginagamit ito para mas mapalit yung numbers dahil di ito kasya sa isang papel. Let's go to sample number 1. John runs 60 meter east, then 70 meter north. Ito yung question guys. Determines John's resultant vector. So una, kunin natin yung given na to, which is 60 meter east. Sa B naman, sa vector B is 70 meter north. Yung kulang natin guys is mababasa naman natin yung which is resultant vector. And guys, proceed na tayo sa pagka-graph. Scaling muna palang muna natin siya. 60 meter times 1 centimeter over 10 meter equals, cancel muna, equals to 6 centimeter. Tapos yung 70 meter naman guys, i-scaling din natin para tuloy-tuloy na. Proceed din tayo sa pag-graph guys. Sa unang vector is magiging 6 cm, kaya gagamit tayo ng ruler para ma-determine. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung paglagay ng arrow para ma-determine yung kung saan ito or saan ito nakatutok. Sa vector B naman is 7 cm north. Don't forget to guys, maglagay ng arrow pagkatapos ng buhis. Tapos dito naman sa kukunin natin yung size para ma-determine yung kung kaano yung tinakbo ni John. Tapos, magsisolve. Pwede na tayo mag-solve. Cancel. So, ang magiging sagot natin is 92 meter northeast. So, ito yung magiging resultant of vector natin. Ito yung magiging sagot. 92 meter northeast.